Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix sales strategies with Drift, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your current sales strategy. Analyze the existing customer journey. Identify key touchpoints where engagement could improve. Research Drift's features and capabilities. Choose the right Drift plan that suits your business needs. Integrate Drift into your website's backend. Set up chatbots to handle common customer inquiries. Create personalized greeting messages to engage visitors. Utilize Drift's scheduling tool to book meetings seamlessly. Implement real-time notifications for sales team members. Train your team on how to utilize Drift effectively. Collect data on customer interactions through Drift. Analyze this data to identify trends and areas for improvement. Adjust your sales strategies based on the insights gained. Test different approaches to see what resonates with your audience. Continuously monitor performance metrics to ensure effectiveness. Refine and optimize your strategies based on ongoing feedback. Stay updated with Drift's new features to enhance your sales process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.